So here it is, the Bunker Hill Security LED solar motion security light. Let's check it out. All right, so as you can see, I have this motion light. I'm gonna be installing it here on the side of my house. And you can see I've got my camera here, so I'm gonna install it right here in the middle, and let's see how this goes. So I think you really only need one drill. I'm gonna use this drill here, but I do have my impact drill also. I'm gonna drill a pilot hole for the screws, and then I'm going to go ahead and fasten them in. Okay, so when it comes to mounting that, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to only put two in, one on each side. So one on the top right and one on the bottom left. And I don't wanna drill too many holes in my roof because I think that's gonna be perfectly fine to hold that. But yeah, I also recommend taking off that piece and screwing the mount in first and then reattaching it to the solar panel. All right, so what I've done is I've put it really close. That's a really long cord. So I don't want too much cords hanging. I'm probably gonna wrap that around the solar panel anyway, but let's see. I did find the impact drill to be the best option because it works better. One other thing I would say is the screws are a little bit too long for wood. I don't think you need that much length of a screw for wood. All right, so to get these back on there, you just untighten that, and that's basically what attaches the light to the mount. What I've now done is I've also moved this to the angle that I want the motion detector to detect, and then this will shine in this area over here. So we'll see. So I wrapped that around the solar panel, and you can see it's already working pretty good. I got it on auto right now. It's got auto, off, and on. Working good. So you can see it right there. We'll have to see what it looks like at night. There's the area I want to light up. So, yeah. So what I've done is I've actually swapped out the screws. They were a little bit too long. I didn't want to go that far and penetrate that far into the wood. So I've swapped out the screws for the solar panel there. And yeah, I'm a little bit happier because I don't want to go that deep into the wood. Okay, so there's before. There's after. Okay, so I'd like to report that this is no longer working. After one day, it just stopped working.